Inaayos mo ang tao, hindi proseso. Tama ba yun? Has this ever happened to you? Nagkamali ang staff mo, you pull them aside. They apologize. Sabi nila, hindi na mauulit. Tapos after 1 week, same mistake, ibang tao. Ibang araw, same result. Ganito ang experience ni Mayet. She has a baby products and supplies business. Nagbebenta siya ng diapers, nursing essentials, at everything that young parents need. She has a small team handling orders, packaging, at saka customer service. Kapag nagkakamali yung isang tao, maling item na lagay, hindi naka-label ang package, late ang response sa customers, she would pull that person aside and say, next time, huwag nang maulit ng ganyan ha, mag-ingat ka. Magsusorry ang staff, hindi na po mauulit ma'am. Pero it would happen again. Ibang staff, ibang order, exact same problem. And every time she thought, bakit ganitong mga tao ko? Anak, here's the lesson. When the same mistake keeps happening, kahit sa ibang tao, kahit sa ibang araw, it's not a people problem. Problema yan ng proseso. Maybe there's no checklist. Maybe hindi malinaw ang training mo. Maybe it was shown once and never practiced again. Walang sistema na nagko-coach ng error bago pa man makarating sa customer. And every time you correct the person without fixing the process, paulit-ulit kang magko-correct sa ibang tao para sa same na problem. So the next time something goes wrong, wag mo munang itanong kung sino ang nagkamali. Ask yourself, what part of the process is missing? Kasi para maging maayos ang team mo, hindi lang magagaling na tao ang kailangan. You need a proper system as well. Kaya remember, let's be business-minded Pinoy. Hinire mo sila, tinrain mo na sila, nagtiwala ka sa kanila. Pero, bakit sila pa rin ang problema? Late deliveries, constant mistakes, walang initiative, di ba? And you end up redoing everything yourself. Kasi, mas mabilis na ikaw na lang ang gumawa. Naku anak, I get you. You are trying your best. Clear naman ang instructions mo at napakapasensyoso mong mag-explain. Pero, bakit parang wala pa rin nagbabago? The truth is that it is not because our people are lazy. It's because we don't have a system to grow them. Yan ang masakit na lesson na natutunan ko sa 40 plus years ko as a business owner. And that is why I have poured all the learnings that I have into my book, Grow Your People Pinoy. 7 steps para i-grow ang ating negosyo through our people. What if you're hiring the wrong people from the start? What if yung training mo ay hindi nag-i-stick dahil walang structure? What if they are underperforming, hindi dahil sa ayaw nila, pero because you never set clear expectations? So this book will show you how to hire people who actually fit your business, the training system that creates results at hindi excuses, how to measure performance without micromanaging, at kung kailan tayo dapat mag-reward, kailan tayo dapat mag-disiplina, and when to let go. Hindi ito generic HR advice, anak. This is a real framework from someone like me who has been there, who's made the costly mistakes so that you don't have to. Kaya invest in your growth as a business owner. Alam mo anak, your business will never grow beyond your ability to lead. So get your copy of Grow Your People Pinoy today and stop fixing people problems and start preventing them. Let's grow your business the right way, anak.